Now look at this. Now we are going to see parts of decimals. That means example 1.6. Example 1.6. So 1 is a whole number. This is a point, decimal point, and 6 is a decimal number or decimal part. So 1 is a whole number I have written, and point is a decimal point, and 6 is a decimal part. It is less than 1 whole. I'll repeat once again. Parts of a decimal, that is 1.6. 1 is a whole number and point is a decimal point. This point is called as a decimal point, and this 6, what do you call it as? 6/10 we can say, because I've told you decimal part. This part is a decimal. After the point, we can call it as a decimal part or decimal number. That is what decimal part, a decimal number, we call it as less than 1 whole. It is less than 1 whole. Example 1.6. 1 is a whole number. Point, we can call it as a decimal point, and after the point, whatever number it comes, we can call it as a decimal part, a decimal number. It is less than 1 whole. That is what I have written. So decimal place value means, I have told you already, place value for decimal, that is, for example, 12.642. That means how we are going to write? This is ones and this is tens, and this is tens, and this is hundreds, and this is thousands. Okay, thousands. So that is what I written. So tens, that is 1, and ones, what is this? 2. These two are whole number. So after that, put a point in the middle. Then what is this? Tens, T-E-N-T-H-S, tens, and next is hundreds, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S, hundreds. That is, you have to write 6, and after that what? 4. The next is what? Thousands, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-T-H-S, thousands, we have to write 2. So this is the what? Place value chart. So if you want, you can write, that is, so hundreds also you can write hundreds here. These are all whole numbers. Okay, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, hundreds. That means, for example, 5. Okay, if you want to 5 means it is hundreds. Okay, these 512. 512, it is a whole number. This is a whole number. Okay, whole number. This is a what? Decimal point. Okay, this is a point. They can call it as decimal point, and these 3 is a decimal number, decimal numbers, or decimal parts. Okay, this is the exact place value for decimals.